Hey folks, took a little while today. We started with clouds, but boy, those clouds eroded. They moved out of here and we ended up with sunshine across all the valley this afternoon. Temperatures warmed up a little, but we're already going back down now that the sun has set. It's down to 58 in Weslaco, 53 Harlingen, 56 at the beach, about 62 McAllen right now. The warm spot, Rio Grande City, where there was probably more sun than any place else at 66. Look at the lows tonight, back in the 40s. Just because the sun came out today doesn't mean it's actually warm out there just yet. Tonight, again, 40s for most of the valley under mainly clear skies and light winds. Temperatures are going to drop pretty quickly, so plan accordingly if you're going out. It's going to be a chilly night. And then tomorrow, look at this, back in the low 70s again for the first time since last Monday. We were in the 40s Tuesday, Wednesday, 50s Thursday, 60s Friday. Saturday, we're finally back in the 70s again, and that'll be the end of the cold for at least a little while. The normal high this time of year is 80. Not going to make it tomorrow, but still pretty comfortable at 71, 77 Sunday, and 76 on Monday. Radar quiet today, just ground clutter. Skies are clear, and overnight Future Track says it stays clear. There's nothing out there. During the daytime tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny. Patchy clouds try to come up from the south. I think it's still a mainly sunny day across the region. Future Track going overboard maybe with the moisture, but at least a few clouds, not a clear blue sky. Look at the rain chance all the way through Monday now. It's 0. We've taken that chance that was on Sunday at 10%. Sunday night, we've taken that out. We just don't see anything this weekend at all. Even with the front coming in Sunday night, nothing to work with, not enough moisture, so not likely to see any showers at all. Rest of Texas, 54 in Dallas, 55 in Abilene. So you have to get down to the South Texas to see temperatures in the 60s, Del Rio, Laredo, and McAllen. North of that, it's a little bit cooler. Big Ridge in control. That upper level low finally moving out of Texas and pushing away, and with that dry air has built in. That high moves to the east tomorrow, so our wind starts out of the northeast, and by the end of the day it should be coming out of the east, and that brings a little bit more moisture back in, but not enough for any rain, just patchy clouds. You go into Sunday, the high's a little farther away, southeast wind then, that helps warm us into the 70s, and then Sunday night this front pushes through. Looks like right now nothing to work with in terms of moisture, at least not enough for any rain, so it comes through pretty much uneventfully, and temperatures drop maybe 1 degree behind it, so barely a front, but when the wind shifts and you get the drier air, lower dew point air moving in, technically it's a cold front, even though it's not going to be any colder with this one. Certainly nothing like the one that we had on Monday night. If you're headed to the coast, north to northeast winds 5 to 15, a moderate chop on the bay. UV is high, plenty of sunshine, no advisories. The rip current risk right now is high. There's a high tide tonight at 9 o'clock and then 2 tides during the daytime tomorrow. Seas kind of laying down a little bit. Water temperature is still a little cool in the upper 50s. So for tonight, clear and chilly. 44 is your average low, light north to northwest winds. Then tomorrow back up to 71. Sunny skies, a very nice afternoon, but keep in mind it's a cold start tomorrow. Temperatures in the morning in the 40s. There you go, 44 in the morning, 71 in the afternoon. Your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. Temperatures stay in the 70s, and then next week we're back in the low 80s again. It looks like we stay there all week long. The impact of Sunday night's front, 77 Sunday, 76 on Monday. Not a big deal at all, and again back in the 80s behind that. But tonight down to 44. Tomorrow, a pleasant 71. Speaking of pleasant, what a great night for Friday Night Football. Playoff action, our Joel Villanueva at one of the playoff games in Harlingen tonight. Hope you got a jacket with you, Joel.